Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Life. A couple of weeks ago, I did a video on gaming equipment at IKEA, and one of the things that impressed me the most was the Gruppspel Gaming Chair. And I bought it for my office, for my own studio, so let's check it out. The two boxes aren't too heavy and they fit easily into the back of my Prius V. Make sure you pick up both boxes. You're looking for box 1 and 2, and the white dot is showing you that you're buying the white chair and not the gray chair. The name Gruppspel means group play in Swedish. Let's open these boxes and see what's inside. The first box has the base and all the hardware. The second box has the seat, backrest, and headrest. So whenever I build something from IKEA, I always take everything out of the box. I lay it out, all the screws and loose pieces that go with it. This saves me time looking for everything as I go. So I just lay them out like this on a piece of cardboard. My husband Keith has kindly offered to build it for me. So here we go. The first part is to attach the wheels, which just snap into place. Next, the gas lift goes on. I think it's called a gas lift. The base plate, which is quite heavy, gets screwed onto the bottom of the chair. And then finally the backrest gets attached to that. Here comes the backrest. Next, after that, well, we'll let him finish this. The armrests go on. He makes it look so easy. The armrests are so cool. I can't wait to show them to you, which I'll do in just a second here. And finally, the headrest goes on. There we go. And that's adjustable as well. I'm going to show that to you. It's just amazing. The instructions are super simple, and this chair really only took Keith about 10 minutes or less to assemble in real time. It's a very classy looking chair. I love the color for my studio. It's perfect. When I was doing my video on the gaming furniture that IKEA sells, I was so impressed with the features of this chair. It's adjustable in so many ways, and that's what I need as a YouTuber. I spend hours and hours at my desk editing and working. I need a super comfy chair for that. Let's get into all the adjustments. So starting with the headrest, it's adjustable. It offers you neck support. You can adjust the height of the headrest. You can move it both forwards and backwards and have support exactly where your head needs it. Here you can see I'm able to adjust it so that the curve of it sits right in my neck, and I can pretend that I'm testing it out here at my fake desk. I can lean back when I'm done all my work. And it's very comfortable. It doesn't feel like I'm going to go flying backwards. You know, some chairs, you feel like you're going to fall over or whatever. This goes back very carefully, very easily. And yeah, it doesn't make any noises or anything. Now I want to show you the armrests. The armrests go up and down. So you can adjust it so that your elbows, it's exactly the right height for your elbows. And that way you don't have that shoulder pain or neck pain from that. So this is an extremely comfortable chair. You're able to adjust so many of the things on here, just making it absolutely the most comfortable. Honestly, it's the most comfortable office chair or gaming chair I've ever sat in. The wheels that you see on the bottom will not roll when you're standing up. So once you stand up and walk away from the chair like this, it won't roll. So nobody can come and steal your chair. When you're sitting in it, it rolls easily. Let's look at these armrests. They adjust in and out. So you can see they kind of click in and out, and they also move backwards and forwards, which is just so cool. They're very comfortable. And then underneath is the button for raising them higher and lower. So there is an adjustable and lockable tilt function. The bar that you normally would use to adjust the height also adjusts the tilt of the chair. If you want to lean back in the chair and lock it in place, you simply just push the bar inwards at the spot you want it to lock. So that could be upright if you don't want to recline, or in any reclining position. It's really a unique feature and very comfortable. Here's another interesting feature. The entire backrest can be adjusted to 5 different heights simply by lifting the backrest. Your goal is to adjust it so that the curve fits right into the curve of your own back, giving you the best possible lumbar support. The fabric on this chair is 100% polyester. That makes it really easy to spot clean. Inside there's a high quality density foam that will hold its shape for a long time. It's very comfortable. The frame of the chair is steel. The chair comes with a 3-year warranty. This chair was designed by a guy named John Carlson. I'm super happy with my purchase. Having a high quality chair when you work at a desk is very important. I hope I was able to help you out today. Be sure to give my video a thumbs up, and I would love it if you became one of my subscribers. I have a lot of great videos coming up, and thank you so much for watching Tinagirl Life. I'll see you again soon.